everyone, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Game Night with G, brought to you by K Resort and powered by Fasten Up. That's right, everyone. Welcome back to the show. But before we begin the show, everyone, big shout out to all the MS Dhoni fans out there. What a fantastic career the man has had for so many years representing the tricolour, alright? So, keeping that in mind, ladies and gentlemen, let's hope that now that the retirement call may have finally come in for Mr. Dhoni, do you think he could maybe join us on a game night? What do you say, guys? Would you like to see Dhoni on a game night?
Dhoni! Dhoni! Dhoni!
Alright guys, well there you have it. The people have spoken and we would all love to see Dhoni come on a game night, alright? That's the popular opinion that we have over here at K Resort. So now, let's get back to the action and let's pick it up where we left things off. Where did we leave things off after episode 1? Team World, as you can see, is at 905 points and Team Tennis is at 870. That's right, everyone. The points are cumulative. The points keep adding up on Game Night with G, and that's where things are. So we're gonna have the world of tennis join us first on the show, alright? So who better to come and bail tennis out at this point than the stalwart of Pakistani tennis, alright? Mr. Aisam Qureshi and his lovely new wife Sana Qureshi joining us on the show with their name Team Wildcard. So let's not waste any more time, everyone. Let me just quickly send out a request to Team Wildcard to join us on a game night with G, alright? Give me a second here. I just forgot, guys. Before I have Aisam join us on the show, let me just quickly tell you guys again, in case you missed it, on what's happening with the show. I can see all of you quickly joining us now. Hi Supriya, what's up? Quick shout out to Team Wildcard for joining us on the show. Once again, it's going to be Aisam and Sana joining us on the show in any second right now. Just going to quickly... Aisam, that's right, Navdeep, that's right. And he's got a class intro coming up is what I've heard.
What's up, G?
Hi.
What's up, bro?
You're not wearing glasses?
Connect with you though. I'm not able to see you.
Why are you not wearing glasses?
I'm not able to see you, bro. I'm not able to see you.
You're not able to see me? Why can't you see me? I can
I'm
see you.
just gonna send you a request again. Give me a second. I'll just send you a request, Aisam. Just give me a second quickly here. What's going on here? I'm not able to click the button or what?
No, you want to.
There it is. There he is. Aisam with the request. G with the acceptance. Let's see if we can connect round 2. What's up, guys? I see you. Oh.
Can you see us now? There you are. There you are.
Oh yeah. What's up, bro? What's up? I love the shades, man. I love the shades. Hi, Sana. How are you? Welcome to the show.
Thanks,
good.
buddy.
How are you?
Man, thanks a lot for being on the show, guys. I hope you guys are excited for your game night.
Excited, terrified, horrified, all the fights.
Well, what can I say? But first of all, I obviously want to congratulate you guys on getting married, guys. Congratulations.
Oh,
Thank
thanks.
you.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
And I don't know if I told you this, but I have a little surprise for you guys. You want to know what it is?
No, you haven't told us, man. You haven't told us about any surprises.
A few of us
Better-
on the tour, on the Indian tour, like Purav and myself and Rohan and all, you know, we wanted to obviously come and be there for the special day for your wedding, but instead we thought maybe when we do meet on tour, we could perform a little dance for you. Would you like it if we performed a dance for you?
That would be huge.
If you can guess this song, we'll dance for it, okay?
Holy cow. Okay, chal.
Okay, let's go.
के बारे में.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's Lamborghini.
Lamborghini,
The name of the
right?
song.
No points for that,
Yeah.
though. No points, not yet. Okay, so you guys
That song
are
is about. The song
it's
is
about
about Model
Model
Town.
Town. That's why I put. What is it about Model Town that I know, Isam?
Yeah. That's where I live. That's where we live now.
Right, that's right, buddy. We did a lot of research for tonight's show. But are you excited to take on Team World over here? Are you guys excited for your game night?
Yeah, to be honest, I don't know anything about Team World other than they're brothers, and obviously they know each other very well.
Yes.
And they're also in like tennis-related game, table tennis. I'm
Yes.
sure they're going to be very competitive.
I'm sure, man.
uh,
But let's see how you guys stack up the points and put up the challenge to them. So Sana,
Yeah, Sana is pumped.
you're very curious on the questions on Game Night with G. Are you ready for your first question on the feud?
Are you ready?
Yeah, but the screen's not
Alrighty.
there.
We're ready.
So 1 minute on the clock, guys. Once I read out the question, 1 minute on the clock once I read it out, and just keep giving me as many answers as you can. All right. Comment section, please help out this team. Please give them as much help as you can. Okay, wait. I'm hearing a little about that. Is
Better
my
now.
screen blurred, Mukund? Okay. Is it better now?
Your screen is blurred, but your voice is better now.
Yeah, but we won't be able to.
Okay. I don't know what it is. My Wi-Fi usually is fine, but audio is breaking. Maybe just join back in a second, Isam. Just cut and send me a request
Just-
again, and then we start.
Sure.
Okay, perfect. So we can do that. I'll just wait for you. Hey guys, sorry about that. I'm just gonna quickly try to join with Isam again and start our game night special. So just give me a quick second for that. I'm just gonna wait till I'm good to go. Mukund, you're happy with the internet right now? Is it okay? Okay, great. So let's just give it a second, guys. Sorry about the little technical snag over there, but I'm just gonna wait for Isam to join me on the show. Can you click it, please? And once he joins me on the show, we can begin our game night. And I'm adding him right now. Question 1 is in my hand. And we will be good to go in a second. While we wait for Isam to join, can you guys just let me know how my internet is doing? That would be fantastic. Tell the audience the question. I could tell you the question, but just give me a. Hey, there you are, man. Sorry about that. Apparently, I'm a little better now, is what I've heard. You guys hear me well?
You just gave us some more time to prepare. So all good.
Yeah, sure.
I'm sure your preparation has been going on well for this question. I'll give it a second, Isam, till you have some people join us on the show so that you can get more help from the comment section if you need, okay? So let's just, like I said, you guys.
We need all the help.
Exactly.
I can see we got some.
Team Wildcard. Sana, is this your first Instagram live performance that you're doing for us?
Oh, yes.
Really? That's so awesome, man.
Yeah.
It's awesome that you're finally coming on and a part of this show with us.
Now.
Let's see what happens. Let's go team tennis. I think the audience is ready, so we can begin. 1 minute on the clock, everybody. Team Wildcard, please let me know. Name a type of food commonly considered a healthy snack. Commonly considered a healthy, a type of food considered a healthy snack.
It's one or any, all the food. Hummus.
Type of food.
Food.
Types of food commonly considered a healthy snack.
Hummus is not correct.
Keep going. We don't have that.
Nut.
Hummus, nuts.
Nuts is my number one answer. Well done. Keep going. I need a few more.
Brown bread sandwiches.
Sandwiches, okay. We did they say foods? Keep looking. I think there's something in the
Oatmeal,
comment section for you. Maybe
oatmeal,
maybe
oatmeal,
Ankur has
oatmeal,
oatmeal.
Fruits.
What else? Fruits. That's right. Fruits.
sa-
That's right. That's my number 2. Aisam, what else do you like
salads,
to carry in your bag?
salads,
Okay.
oatmeal,
Yes. Keep going. Keep going.
porridge, porridge.
What's your favorite thing to have in your bag?
Sorry, energy bars.
Nice, nice. Well done. That's what we needed. Well done.
He's so blurry.
Well done, man. Well done.
How many? I can't see, man. Your screen is blurry. I can't see nothing.
As you can see, you got nuts at number 1. Fruits. I heard you say energy bar. I don't know if you said egg. I'm not sure. You did? You did? They say yogurt though. So you only missed yogurt for 5 points. So that's 95 out of 100. Well done. Solid start, guys. Solid start, okay? Solid
Thanks for the
start.
comment section as well. Thanks for the comment section.
Now that you guys are now that you guys are off to a good start, we can move on to the second question. Okay. Name. Oh, I'm having problems again with my internet apparently.
Very good, buddy.
Are you able to see me? No, not really. Huh?
Very. It's getting better. Now it's better. Now it's good.
Okay.
Now
Let's
it's good.
hope that it stays good for 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Second question. Name a specific part of the body that's hard to keep a band-aid stuck to. Where is it difficult to stick a band-aid?
On the palm, maybe?
Yes, palm. That's number 1. What else?
Elbow,
Elbow, number 4. Where
On
else?
the joint. Knees.
Where, which joint?
knees,
Knees, yes, well done. Where else?
eyes,
Lips.
Yeah, you gave me palm, but I'm missing 2 more answers.
eyes, lips,
Keep going, keep going, keep going. You can get more.
uh,
A difficult part of
Ears.
the body to keep a band-aid stuck to.
ears,
Ears, keep going, keep going. I need more.
Toes. No.
toes,
Oh,
yeah.
that's the one. That's the one, Sana. Well done. We needed that. That was the number 2 answer. Great job. We've got everything except the
Eyebrows,
5-pointer.
eyelashes, eyelashes, eyebrows.
Everything except the
No.
5-pointer. Keep going.
Tip of the nose.
Oh,
That's a
is
good
easy.
answer, but I don't have that.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 is done. Part of the body, and that's time. Well done, guys. Well done. You got the top 4 answers.
What was the fifth?
This is what I had. This is what I had.
We can't.
Palms, number
We
1.
can't see, G. We can't see.
Oh, you can't see? Okay, just give me a second. I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn off the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. I just turned off my
Yeah,
Wi-Fi.
that's
Is
better.
it better now? I turned off the Wi-Fi.
It's perfect now.
Better? Is it better?
Perfect, perfect.
Okay, I'm just quick. Hey guys, can you guys hear me right now? Audience, I sound
Yes, yes, yes. Perfectly fine. It's perfectly fine.
the answers. Okay. Okay, let me know if you can see this. Can you see this?
Now we can, yes.
Okay.
Palms,
Oh,
Palms, feet, knees, elbows. Only head was missing. Head.
Okay.
But that's 95 out of 100. Great job. That's, what is that? 190. 190 out of 200, guys. Solid. So Team
Let's go,
Tennis
let's
is
go.
off to a good start. Team Tennis is off to a fantastic start there. Hannah, you take that. You take 190 out of 200. Pretty solid start.
I think it's very solid.
Yeah.
But now is where it gets
Sana is not happy.
tricky.
Sana
It
wants
gets
2, man. Sana
Yeah.
wants exactly 200. She's not happy. Right now.
Yeah.
She's the perfectionist award. She's a perfectionist. Okay, but for now we'll move on to the second game. It's called Trivia Mania. This is where it gets tricky. It's going to be even more tricky for you because of the bad Wi-Fi. You may not even get comment help. Okay. So comment section, stay with us. This is the most crucial part of the game. 4 questions that are going to come. You guys can decide to pick your category. Okay. What do you guys
Yeah.
want? Give me 2 out of these 5 categories: human body, animal kingdom, food and drink, capitals, and easy science.
Yeah, number 3 and number 4 we're going for.
Okay. Food and drink and capitals. Is that right?
Yeah.
Give me
Yep.
a second to turn off the comments. Now I can see you guys fully. I hope you guys can see me too. Okay, comment section. Let's see if they need you for these questions, all right? By the way, this section is brought to you by Fast Enough, our title sponsor. we managed to snag a sponsor for the show.
Nice.
But I guess next we'll need a Wi-Fi sponsor next.
Comment section is off, so
Yeah.
we have to do it ourselves. So,
Okay.
Yes, and if you want to use a lifeline, you can let me know, okay?
there's only one lifeline, right? Right?
You have 2 lifelines. You can ask me to turn on the comment section. That's lifeline number 1. Lifeline number
Okay.
2 is phoning a friend.
Okay.
You can use both in one question if you want. It's totally up to you. But you have 4 questions now. 100 points a question. Aisam Sana, what is the capital of Azerbaijan? Is it Baku, Yaoundé, Winnipeg, or Dublin?
Baku.
Baku.
Yeah.
You sure?
You want me to lock that answer?
I think so. Yeah, pretty sure. Baku.
Stop the timer. Baku is correct. The man knows the world, huh, Sana? He knows the world. He knows how to travel.
Depending on him for these.
Capitals is his strength, but let's see if we can hold up in question number 2. Comments are very happy, I'm sure. Okay. 30 seconds for you to 30 seconds to decide if you want to use a lifeline. It's up to you. It's not like you have to give me an answer. You can let me know in 30 seconds, okay? What is the capital of Belize?
Of what?
Belize. Is
Belize.
it Brussels, Bogota, Belmopan, or Belize City?
No.
Brussels been near Bogota. Yeah.
In the-
East.
What are you going to do?
Lifeline. She's going for a lifeline.
Which lifeline, Sana?
Comments.
Okay. 15 seconds on the clock once you can see the comments, and then I turn it off, all right? Let me know when you see the
Okay.
comments. Guys, the question is, what is the capital of sorry. What is the capital of Belize? Okay, comment section has been turned on. We have 15 seconds. This is the question. Capital of Belize.
Belmopan.
Should I turn it off?
Bel-
All right, we're going for Belmopan, man.
You lock it, no? You lock that. You're confident.
Yeah, we're locking that in.
2 out of 2. How do you like the applause?
Our comment section are saving us, man, big time.
It's okay. You still have 1 more lifeline and 2 questions, all right? Question number 3. We move on to food and drink. Okay?
Okay.
What is the most important quality responsible for the color of a potato chip? Okay? Is it increasing sugars, reducing sugars, increasing starch, reducing
What
starch?
What is more important?
So,
Increasing sugar, reducing sugar, increasing starch, or reducing starch?
For the color of a potato chip.
Come on, yeah. Sana, you know, it is your favorite food. French fries. You need to know this.
one of these, but I'm not
How do you determine the color?
increasing sugar.
किससे color आएगा?
I think increasing sugar.
Think or you want to use it?
I just have a fat feeling it's increasing sugar.
Yeah, lifeline. Call a friend.
Are you going to call or are you going to go with Sana's gut?
No. Call a
No,
friend.
no,
Call a
call,
friend.
yeah.
Call a friend. Use a
Calling a
lifeline.
friend,
Why not?
calling a friend. Okay. Who are you calling? You can do it. Call, use your speaker and make the call.
I'm not really sure why I'm calling this friend for this question. Probably he doesn't know anything about cooking, but let's go. I'm calling Rohan Bopana. Let's check it out.
Rohan Bopana from the call. Let's hear what he has to say. I'm just going to keep out the
Let's
question
go.
for you.
Start you with Bob. Responsible
No,
for the color of potato chips.
We'll have to call him.
We have to call? No, they will call. Who's call?
Oh, no. You have to call. You call. You have another phone or not?
Oh shit, I have to call him.
Okay,
You
I
know him.
my phone is busy with the show.
Mine is red.
Okay, wait. I'll make an exception. I'll call him. I'll call him from my second phone. I'll call him. That's not a big deal.
No, I thought maybe you guys would call him.
Okay, I'm calling him. He's coming on the phone. Sharat, if you're watching, make sure you have a phone to call. But for now, Rohan is joining us on the call in a second. I'm just dialing his number. He has a lot of time to think over the answer. You got it, Baru? It's ringing. Phone's ringing.
I didn't even know you used sugar.
I know it has sugar.
Hi, Rohan.
Hello.
Hi, Rohan. What's up?
What's going on, buddy?
Isam needs to know what is the color of a potato chip's most important quality. Is it increasing sugars, reducing sugars, increasing starch, or reducing starch?
What is the most what?
What is the most important quality responsible for the color of a potato chip? Is it increasing sugar, reducing sugar, increasing starch, reducing starch? He's laughing.
Oh God. I would say increasing sugar. I have no clue about this, to be honest.
No clue about this? Okay, no clue about this. Thank you. Thank you for that.
Okay, I'm going to go with Bob's and Sana because Sana also thought it's increasing sugar and Bob's wild guess is also increasing sugar. So let's go with
Sana,
that.
did you said increasing sugar was your guess, right? Or reducing? I'm not sure. But what are you locking in? What are you guys locking in?
Increasing sugar.
Increasing sugar. Unfortunately, it's reducing sugar. Reducing it. That's okay. It was expected to be a tough one. Let's move on to the final question. Final question of trivia. All right. You guys, I can turn on the comments. Oh, I can't. The word mocha, like mocha frappuccino, comes from which country? Does it come from Pakistan, Tonga, Yemen, or Saudi Arabia?
The word mocha comes from Tonga, dude.
Tonga?
For Tonga.
You want to lock that in? You want to lock in Tonga?
Yeah. It's a wild guess.
It's a wild guess. Unfortunately, it's the wrong guess. It's Yemen. Yemen.
Hi.
Yeah. 2 out of 4. 2 out of 4 in that segment. Comment section, welcome back to the game. Welcome back, everybody. 2 out of 4. Amisha is giving you the thumbs up from Bombay. She's happy with that. She's saying that's fine.
Oh, Hamaya.
Okay. So, guys, let's move on to the third game brought to you by Sugar Monkeys, everyone. The third game is blindfold. I think the most fun game that we have. In this, you guys let me know who's playing first. Let me know who's going to play first. And the other person just kind of blindfolds, closes their eyes, can only talk and give the answer. Don't ever open your eyes. And obviously don't say the 5 forbidden words. It's similar to taboo, basically.
Okay, she will close her eyes.
Okay, Sana, close your eyes. And Isam, 30 seconds on the clock to get her to say this word. So, Sana, when you close your eyes, we can start.
Let's go. Okay. Sky. Oh, Sky, you can't use Sky. Sorry. Shit.
Oh, no.
Sorry, I didn't see Sky. Man. It's in the last.
Nice.
We lost this game
Sana,
already.
you can open your
Yes,
eyes.
we
We've
lost this
lost
game
one
already.
question. We've lost one question. But we still have another.
Yes.
Unfortunately, we said the word. You can stay
Yeah,
with your eyes closed. We're giving you another word. Another word. Take your time. Take your time, Isam. This is your word.
Okay. Something you never do. I always ask you to do it, but you send a text instead.
Call.
There you go.
Yes! Well done. Well done. Well done. Sana, you need to start
I'm sorry.
calling him
The
more.
last one, I didn't see Sky. I didn't see Sky. The last one.
But this is well done. And as you can see, guys who are watching, Sky at the very bottom, unfortunately, lost one there. Let's flip position. Sana, it's your turn to play. Your turn to play. All right. Question number
We have
1.
Yeah, 1
30
minute.
seconds. 30 seconds, plenty of time. Don't, you have a lot of time. So just think about it and give an answer. All right? Your time starts once you see the options. Go.
Something that I always tell you to do, but you never do. Something that I take every night before I sleep.
Oh, water.
Yeah.
Nice. Well done. Water is correct.
Water.
Well done, Sana. Solid player.
Something I always do at night, Kona. Something I always do, but you never do. How would I know this time?
No, but I
Now
always
at night,
tell you.
Isam, you
drink
don't drink
water.
enough water, bro. You don't drink enough water.
Keep telling him.
bro, you know it. When we don't play and practice, we don't drink. Normally, we're always drinking while we're practicing and training.
Sana, you need to call him. You need to call him and tell him to drink water. That's what needs to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then it's fine. Then it's fine. Okay, one last question. Okay? Close your eyes.
I close my eyes.
Isam. Close your eyes, Isam. It's Sana's last question.
Okay. What everyone used to send their what do you call the memorabilia we had? We asked for.
Autograph?
No. What did they
Signatures?
use? What did they use? The medium.
Mail?
Yeah. Go on.
FedEx?
Who brought it?
FedEx?
Who brought it?
FedEx, mail, postman.
Yeah.
Yes! Postman! Postman is correct. Woo! What a comeback. Team Wildcard making a big comeback. I like that. As you can see, it was tough because she couldn't say post office, she couldn't say deliver, package, letters or parcel, and she still got you to say postman. 100%
Good.
Sana got on the case. Wow.
I very set Sky, man. Could have easily said Star. Shit.
Okay. Isam, before we go to the next question, since we have you here with us, I had a couple of questions that I wanted to ask you. I was very curious. I'm sure a lot of the Indian tennis players are also pretty curious. Just quickly, can you tell me what was the reason you decided to play tennis? Like, what was the calling when you started playing? Like, what was it that made you pursue tennis as a career?
Bro, my mother, Nausheen Tisham, was number 1 for 10 years. And my maternal grandfather, Wajid Takhar Ahmed, was all India number 1 before partition.
Okay.
Tennis was
Wow.
as a hobby. I never thought I would take it seriously. And my mom took me to the tennis courts when I was 12 and a half, 13 years old to see if I have some tennis genes or not.
Yeah.
And when I won my first tournament, I think under 16, and the hug and the appreciation I got from my parents, I felt my parents were very proud of me at that time, you know.
That's
So
awesome.
I felt like that's the platform. Tennis has given me that platform to make my parents proud. And
That's
one thing
awesome,
led to
man.
another.
That's fantastic. Now that you made your parents proud, I'm sure a lot of kids out there in Pakistan and India want to really hear what your thoughts are on how important is it on a scale of 1 to 10 for a teenager like growing up playing tennis to practice serves and returns? On a scale of 1 to 10, how important is practicing serves and returns?
Right now, I see kids, they don't practice that at all, dude.
Exactly. That's why I'm asking you.
That's one thing I feel like, for me at least, and longevity of my career, that I've started doing it for a very long time. I've practiced my serves a lot, and return of serves, obviously, now I'm playing doubles a lot. I think that's been one of the main reasons. I think
Rohan
myself
said
also.
1 million. 1 million on a scale of 1 to 10. He wants the number. How important is
10.
it? 10. It's the most important thing, ladies and gentlemen. As Isam, one of the biggest servers in the game, has said, it's one of the most important. So kids, if you're watching, stop just playing up the middle and start practicing serve and return.
Very important.
Your final game, who's more likely? Okay, close your eyes, 100 more points, 2 questions. Point to your
Both of
partner.
us?
Both of you play, close your eyes, and you point to either Sana or yourself if you think that it's that person. Sana, the same to you, okay? Between Isam and Sana, who is more likely to go to a gym on Sunday? Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Well done, well done. Every day, huh, Isam? Every day.
No, not every day, but Sundays, yeah. Probably I would be the one going. I went today, so I guess it's me, yeah.
Yeah, I guess it is. Final question on Game Night with G for you guys. Final question. Close your eyes. Who is more likely to binge watch Bollywood movies all night?
Who is what?
Who is more likely to watch a lot of Bollywood movies all night? Open your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Wow, guys, that concludes your game night. You guys got 100 out of 100 there. Solid in your blindfold. Couple of mistakes on trivia and pretty good score in Family Feud. I think you guys did well. What do you think?
I think those 2 out of 4, they were tough questions, man. They were very hardcore questions.
Yeah.
The questions are going to be hard all night. So I hope Team Wildcard and Team Bunkbeds is ready after seeing that. Your final score out of 1,000, 715 points. Let's see. You don't know. It's going to be hard for every opponent, okay? 715 points is what we got. Well, I just wanted to thank you guys, man. Thanks a lot for being a part of it, even though we had some crap Wi-Fi. I hope you had fun, though. And I promise we will dance. We will dance for you when we meet.
Thanks a lot, comment section. Thanks a lot, Bopsy. And thanks a lot, India, man. Thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, man. Thanks for coming on. Thanks for coming
Okay.
on. Bye.
Ciao.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the total that's been set up right now. It's 715, as you can see, that was set up by Team Wildcard. Don't go anywhere, okay? There's still a lot more action to be played. It's just the first half of the show. 715 comment section. I don't know. What do you think? Is that going to hold up tonight? There's only one way to find out. Quick introduction about who's joining us to represent Game Night with G from Team World. He is one of the most fantastic, if not the pioneer, the most high up stalwart of table tennis that we've ever seen in our country. Multiple winners of multiple medals in different events around the world. Commonwealth medals from 2006 onwards. World ranking in the top 50. I don't need to say a whole lot about him. He's done it all. He's been a 3-time Olympian. So please welcome to the show, Bunk Bed Buddies, the 2 brothers from Tamil Nadu, Sharath and Rajat Kamal. Okay? Now, let me quickly send them a request to join them on the show. Just see if Sharath is with us. And once he joins us on the show, he can begin his race to 1,000. I see he's here. And I'm just quickly sending him a request to join us on the show. And let's see what Team Bunk Bed Buddies is all about. What's up, man?
Yes.
What's going on?
Hey, Dave.
Wait. I have something for you. How's that? Good?
The bandana is too big normally, but it looks cool on you.
I'm trying. I know that this is your look every time you go and win some medals for our country. I know that. Man, did you watch the first half of the show? Did you watch it?
Yes, we did.
The number
They
was
played
715.
pretty well.
Okay, what do you think about that?
Man, your questions are very difficult, man. And also, I
That's why
see
you need to
all
better
your
handle
all your
lifelines,
comments.
man. You better
The
have those
comments-
lifelines. You have
In
to
the
have
comment
those
section,
lifelines.
in the comment section, there are only tennis players. They're all supporting them. They
I-
hope that it's more difficult questions for us.
I have a friend who was with me on the show, and he was telling me that he studied with you, Rajat, in Loyola College. So you have a lot of friends in the comment section. Don't worry, you have friends.
But then they're tennis players. But then they're tennis
Ex-tennis
players.
players, maybe recreational table tennis players. Well, guys, welcome to the show.
Yes.
Welcome to Game Night with G, guys. I'm so glad you guys are a part of it. There are 4 games we're going to play, okay? 1,000
Yeah.
points up for grabs.
No.
Are you guys ready for your first game? It's called The Feud.
Yes. Yes.
My wife's going to show you 1 minute on the clock once I read out the question,
Mm.
and then keep giving me as many answers as you can, all right?
Okay.
All right. Your first question on Game Night with G. Name an animal you would recognize easily if I showed you a picture of its nose.
Pig.
Yeah, number 2, that's right. What else?
A dolphin.
Keep going, keep going. Oh, animals. What are the
Dog.
animals?
A dog.
Giving. Yeah, dog, cat. Okay, I got that at number 3. I'm still missing the number 1 animal.
A bird, like duck.
I don't have it, but I'm missing 1, 4, and 5. So keep thinking. Maybe there's something in the comments. I don't know. Keep going.
Panda.
There.
Ooh, elephant.
Elephant. Elephant is number 1. Well done. You got 1, 2, and 3. We're looking
Thanks,
for 4
guys.
and 5. We're looking for 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Rhinoceros.
No, I don't have it. That's not exactly the nose. It's just their horn. But let's keep going. Let's keep going. You still have some time. You still have a lot of time. Maybe you get something. Maybe you get something here.
A cat.
Dog, cat. I have both of them. They're in there. Big
A
animal.
snake. Snake.
And that's time. That's time, guys.
Anteater.
Pretty solid start.
Well, man, we lost. How many did we guess? We got only
I'll show
3.
you. You got the number 1 answer, an elephant. You got the
Yeah.
number 2 answer, pig. Dog and cat at 20 points. I need a
yeah.
hippo and I need a
Somebody
camel.
rode a hippo. I
didn't say it.
that.
You didn't say
Somebody
it.
rode a hippo. Yeah, we didn't say that. Yeah.
Oh, man, rule number 1 on game night: say
What's so
everything.
special
There's
in
no
the
wrong
camel?
answer. Just say everything.
Okay, it's okay. We've lost 50 points there.
No, you didn't lose 50 points. Only 20 points, 25 points.
Oh, that's a good start.
You got 80. You got 80. That the weightage for hippo was very low, so don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
Points were higher for elephant. It's good you said that.
Hmm.
Okay, second question on game night. Okay?
Yeah.
Second question. Name something that people would buy before going on an overseas trip. Before going on an overseas trip, what would they buy?
Air ticket.
Number 1.
Or travel
Yes.
ticket, yeah.
Yes. What else?
A travel pillow.
Okay, what else? Keep going. What else do
A
they buy?
suitcase.
Keep going. Keep going. I need more.
Shoes. Clothes.
Yeah. Okay.
Clothes and shoes.
Clothes and shoes together. Yeah, I got that.
Insurance.
Sorry.
Insurance.
Yes. Insurance is number 2. Great
Forex.
answer. Great answer.
Foreign money. Forex. Forex.
Yeah, that is exchanging. I have your 1, 2, and 3. I need 4 and 5. What else? Overseas trip.
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush is part of the. Toothbrush is part of. Yeah. Yeah, it's part of the toiletry bag. We'll give it. We'll give that. Perfect.
Yeah, toilet bag, and then maybe a backpack. Medical medicine.
Medical and toilet. I've slashed it together. Only
Okay,
the 5
okay.
pointers missing. You've done good. Only 5 points. 95
lap-
already.
A laptop.
Not everyone needs the laptop. It's okay. Keep going. Okay, that's time, guys. That's time.
Yes.
Mervin Ross coming in with the comment section. Shout out to Mervin. I don't know if you said the answer, Sharath and Rajat.
Visa.
Say his answer.
Visa.
No, this is what I had. I don't know if you set the 5 pointer.
Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute.
Yeah,
We've had
Yeah. I see you good. I see you really good.
Travel charger.
Yeah.
But we
But
lost the sound. One
Oh,
minute
you
was
got-
the sound. Just
I
lost the
hear you
sound.
good.
We
Are you
lost
able
the
to hear?
sound.
Are you guys able to hear the brothers? Bunk bed buddies? Can the comment section hear them? Hey guys, can you guys hear me? Yeah, Sharath, everyone's able to hear you guys. Can you hear me?
Jeevan, we can't hear you because.
Okay. I'll send you the
Should we
request.
go out and come back in?
Yeah, go out and come back in. Go out and come back. Yeah. Well, guys, we're having an absolute struggle today with the internet. But what I can tell you is we have hand signal going out and coming back. So they will be sending us a request and joining us. And I'll let you know just how well Sharath and Rajat have done on that second question in a second. Let them join us, obviously, before I tell you how they did. Okay, just give me a second before I reveal the answer.
Sorry,
can you guys hear me?
sorry. Yeah.
You guys can hear me?
Yeah.
Mervyn Ross gave an answer from the comments. I don't know if you said it, but this is what I was missing.
Visa, yeah, travel adapter. Yeah. Travel adapter, we said, yeah.
Universal adapter.
Gave
Did you say it? Did you say it?
We said that, yeah, but I don't know if you guys heard it.
Did you say it within 1 minute?
I don't know.
We couldn't
I
hear
don't know. Yeah, we couldn't hear. Yeah.
We'll check. We'll have everything on review that we'll check. But
Okay,
well done. You
okay,
gave me
fine.
insurance and ticket. Well done. Well done. What does it start with? 175. 175 out of 200. Solid start. Solid start.
Okay.
Similar game to the first part of the show. I need you guys to pick a category out of these 5. Pick 2 categories.
I'm missing. We'll go for food and drinks. Food and drinks. Can we choose the same what they chose? Because they chose food and drinks and capitals.
You can choose whatever you want, bro. Whatever you want.
How was it? Was it easy or difficult? Very difficult.
There's only one way to find out if it's easy.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, we'll go for easy science. One is easy science.
Okay, easy science.
The other one, human body. Human body.
Bah, too good. Human body and easy science. Mervyn, I hope you're in the comments to help these guys out.
I think we'll go back now.
Rohan is happy with your start. He's happy with your start. I have all the questions. Bye-bye comment section. Bye-bye everybody. We are going to start with question number 1 brought to you by Fast Enough. All right? Our title sponsor. Okay. Your first question. What is the range in hertz for a normal human being's hearing? Okay?
Hertz.
Is it 10 hertz, 10 kilohertz, 20 hertz, 20 kilohertz, 40 hertz to 40 kilohertz, 30 hertz to 30 kilohertz? Normal hearing range.
So the first doubt I have is this human body or easy science?
This is human body. This is human body.
Okay, I'll have to phone a friend.
Phoning a friend, huh? Okay, you please phone.
Okay.
Phone someone.
So after they goofed up, ISM didn't have somebody. I immediately called up one friend and said, just get onto my live and just don't go anywhere else.
I hope he's there. I hope your friend is there.
Yeah. No, he's commenting. Yeah, he's commenting.
Okay,
So,
awesome. So I just keep the question for you to read out. Question for you
so
to read out.
Yes, sir. What is the answer, sir? You know the question. I hope you know the question. What is the range in hertz of a normal human being hearing you?
Yeah, I think it's 20 to 20,000.
20 to 20,000. That is the answer. Because he's my.
Yeah, maximum, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, you want me to lock it? Only when you say lock it, I lock the answer.
Okay, he's pretty sure that we cannot go beyond 20,000.
Like it's not like normal.
I need to know, are you locking it or not?
I'm locking it. Lock it.
20 to 20 is correct.
Thank you.
Smart play there, Sharath. Well done, Rajat.
Thank you. No, not well done. Well done, Jeevan. Hey, he's also Jeevan. Yeah. The guy who called was also
Stay
Jeevan.
with us. They definitely will need you. There's still 3 more questions, okay? Okay, question number 2 on human body. Which of the following parts of the body has the greatest number of sweat glands? Is it the underarms, the back, feet, or the scalp? Most sweat glands.
Scan it because it's like a lot from here. Back. It must be something. Back is bigger. Yeah. It must be some trick question. It cannot be underarm. Underarm is most obvious, so I don't think we should go for that. Oh, time is gone.
No, you have time. Now you need to let me know, are you using a lifeline or are you giving me an answer to lock?
I think we'll go for the answer. Okay. We'll keep the lifeline for later. I think back.
Oh, later.
As you said, it has logic. It's a bigger part. Okay, back. We'll go for the back.
You're going for back for the greatest number of sweat glands. Unfortunately, the answer was feet. Feet was the answer.
Okay.
But we're learning something. We're learning something on game night, right? It's not bad.
Yeah.
1 out of 2, moving into the second category. Sharath was confused whether that was science or human body. This is now science, okay? Now the science is starting. Okay. First question. Name the scientist who first declared that the earth revolves around the sun. Was it Newton, Galileo, Copernicus, or Francis Crick?
Galileo. Please lock
Are
it.
you sure you want me to lock in that answer?
Can you just show me?
Who is the scientist that first declared that the earth revolves around the sun?
This is revolves around the earth. I think it's called the guy with the C. The guy starting with the C. Copernicus.
All right. Lifeline or locking in answer? Let me know now.
Copernicus. I think you can lock it. Copernicus.
Copernicus lock?
Yeah.
Copernicus lock is correct. Rajat, too good, man. Video analysis coming into the play.
If you had generally asked me this question, I would have told Gaundamani because I am done.
He went around the world, Gaundamani. No, Galileo was telescope.
Yeah. Galileo was
Okay,
telescope.
but man, 2 out of 3 and lifeline of comments in hand. That's looking really good. Okay. Final question.
Easy one, please.
Easy science. Easy science. Which natural element has the highest melting point? Iron, copper, tungsten, or silver?
Iron, copper. Use the lifeline. Lifeline.
Comment section. Lifeline is coming into play. We have 15 seconds from the moment the lifeline is on. I'll automatically turn it off. I've learned from my previous episode. Ready? Comment section turning on in 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds on the clock.
Buddy. Guys, come on. Silver. Tungsten. Yeah.
One guy is hustling you.
Best tungsten.
Comment section is turning
yeah,
off.
we got the
Comment
answer.
section turning off. We need a
Yeah, we got
lock-in
the
answer.
answer.
What are we going with?
Tungsten. Bulb has tungsten, it seems. In the comment section was given.
In that 15 seconds, you saw the bulk is tungsten. Really?
That was the clue.
Tungsten is correct. Well done.
Thanks, guys. Thanks. Jeevan. Thank you, Jeevan. No,
Don't thank me, bro. Thank the comment section.
the guy in the comment section was Jeevan also.
Oh, the guy in the comment section was Jeevan, really? Don't get me in trouble, bro. I am sitting here live, writing time. Okay, we'll move on to the third game. The third game is called Blindfold. Okay, I hope you guys saw it. Who is going to play first in Blindfold?
Blindfold. First you close it.
So you close. Remember, don't tell the 5 words. Whoever is playing. Sharath, you're starting.
Yeah. You take over.
Okay. Sharath, don't tell the 5
Yeah.
words, and you try to get him to get the top word. 30 seconds on the clock once I show you the word, okay? So you have 30 whole seconds. Ready? Your first question on blindfold. Get Rajat to say this word.
He works.
Works. Damn! Oh,
Yeah,
hit the
I
stump.
missed it. I missed
Rajat, you can take
it.
a break.
No.
Rajat, you can take a break. Open.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Manager.
We had a little mistake. First itself,
Oh,
we said
it
work.
worked. Okay. Ah.
Okay.
Okay. No problem.
That's all right. We still have another question. Okay, we still have another question for you, Sharad. You can redeem yourself.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I.
Okay. Second question brought to you by Sugar Monkeys. 30 seconds on the clock. Starting now.
Digital payments. UBI. Instrument. Check.
Wow.
Check.
Well done. Those were the words he couldn't say.
Nice.
Check off instrument. Fantastic,
Yeah.
man. Well done. Time to switch positions. Who's next?
Okay.
30 seconds on the clock for you, Rajat.
Yeah.
Anyway, you saved him 100 points already, so no pressure. Ready? And start.
He was the Dash Prince of so and so country. A Dash Prince of Saudi Arabia. Dash Prince of Saudi Arabia. He was the Dash Prince.
9,
Um,
5.
Royal. What
That's
you
time.
get when you're Christian.
That's time.
Registry.
Time. Open your eyes, Sharad. You can see what we missed. The word was crown. Crown Prince.
Crown Prince.
Okay, you didn't get it, but Rajat, from now on, no dash, okay? Don't say rhymes with or dash, but either way, it's
Okay.
fine. Fine with it. Either way, it's fine. No problem.
Sure.
But try not to. Okay, final question on Game Night with G blindfold section. Ready?
The one who sketches for a living. For a living painter. Something like that. Like he's sketching and getting an approval from somebody. Sketching and getting an approval from somebody. For a hike for another purpose.
That's time. Sharath, you can open. Architect is sketching for approval.
Okay. Difficult, man. Yeah,
Difficult
you've got
one.
all
This
the
was my
words here.
difficult one. We saved this one.
What else
Yeah.
do I use?
What else do they use? They can't say create, build, house. This is a tough one.
Yeah.
But we'll take a break from the games for like 2 minutes now. I just wanted to ask you a quick question because it's so nice to see a stalwart athlete like yourself on a tennis platform. You know, I just wanted to ask you, what was the reason that you decided to pick up the table tennis bat? You know, what was the driving reason behind it? What made you choose it as a profession?
We started very young, at a very young age, both of us, because parents, my father and uncle were our coaches.
Oh, okay.
So we started at a very young age, and we always liked going to the club, start playing there. But it was my 10th standard when I decided, 10th into 11th, typical, the transformation when I had to decide if I want to take table tennis professionally up.
Yeah.
So that is when I decided that I'll take it up professionally, and there was support from the family also. So I think that decision, they let me do the decision. At the same time, there was support from the family. So that helped me be
Okay.
more responsible for the decision I made for myself.
That's a great decision. I'm sure the whole nation is proud of you for making that decision.
Thank you.
Rajat, sorry, I lost you for a second. Do you hear me now?
Yeah.
I had a question for you also, man. I'm just wondering, how important do you say video analysis is in sports? All sports, like especially in table tennis, how important do you think your role of being a video analysis for Sharath is in his career?
Yeah. See, in terms of supporting the athlete, you actually are part of the contingent. Like you have physios, you have the team analyst, and you have a doctor. So it becomes quite an integral part of the game, and almost it's like a bridge when the coach is not able to get all the data that he wants of the player at his fingertips. So we try to give those kind of data to the coach and make it easier for him to analyze the game, and also to the player when we directly interact with the player. The videos play a very integral part. Like when you see a video, you would
If you had to
really
rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you say?
sorry, I didn't get you.
If you had to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, how important is video analysis in sports?
I would say 10, of course.
10. On that note, guys, let's go on to the last game. You still have 100 points to get, okay? You can get up to 102 questions of who's more likely. Close your eyes, point to whichever brother you think is more likely to do this. Brothers and sisters are usually very strong in this game.
How to play this one?
So you close your eyes, and I'm
Okay.
going to read out a question. You either point to yourself if you think it's you, or you point to your partner. And if you both point to the same person when I say open your eyes, that means you've made 50 points. Okay?
Okay.
So close your eyes and keep your hands where we can see them. And then I'm going to ask you, who is more likely between Sharath and Rajat to get more nervous before a big match? Who gets more nervous for the big match? Sharath, move your hand a little closer to the middle. Where did you point? Okay. Well done. Only in the screen.
Okay. Then I'll use this hand.
Okay, nice.
Really easier. Yeah.
If we do get cut in 30 seconds, I'll let you know. But who is more likely to know their way around Chennai city without Google Maps? Oh, easy. Well done.
Rajat is terrible with directions. I am very bad.
I didn't know that. But I'm learning something also. I hope you guys also learned something on game. Dude, I only had 2 questions, bro. You already played for 1,000 points. I'm now getting your final analysis. How do you guys think you did in the game? All the games put together.
We had a very good start, but we screwed up in between. Tabu.
715 was the score to beat.
I think we'll also be around there.
You are around there. I just got the score. You are around there. 650 points. Well done. 650 is a solid total. We'll obviously check everything that you guys did, but I hope you had fun, man, on the show.
Yeah, of course. Was nice.
So, guys, well done to Team Wildcard for winning today and getting tennis, I think, moving back a little bit into the lead is what I think. I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, I hope you guys had fun on the show. Thanks a lot for being a part of Game Night with G, guys. I hope you guys are going to be watching the show on Sundays from now to see how the world is going.
Thank you very much for having us over.
Of course, guys. Thanks a lot for being a part of it. And thanks everyone for staying and sticking around through the show. Bye, Sharath. Bye, Rajat.
Bye.
Whew. Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Do we have a final score? Is this the final score? So, the way it works, can you translate what is written here?
Team tennis is 1585 and they're up by 30 points.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of episode 2 with Game Night with G. Team tennis has taken the lead, but barely. It's 1,585 for tennis, 1,555 for the world. 30-point lead, just a 30-point lead for team tennis. Moving into episode 3, we'll be back the Park Express. That's right, Akash, the Indo Park Express. The Park Express has done a fantastic job getting Team Tennis back into the lead going into episode 3. Please tune in again next Sunday for episode 3 to find out who's going to be on the show on the Race to 1,000, Team Tennis versus Team World. Thanks a lot, everyone, for tuning in and being a part of the show. It's still really close, Amisha. It's really close, Satvika. Like you said, just a 30-point lead for Team Tennis, all right? And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's your Sunday night game night madness. Thanks a lot for sticking around and having some fun. I know we did. We finished pretty strong after some pretty shaky internet issues to start with, but that's what you can expect here on Game Night with G. A lot of fun, and everyone who tuned in, thank you so much, and I'll see you again next Sunday for episode 3. Bye, everybody.